everyone, this is Sheila Sipin Matre, and today we are going to do a pick a card reading, and the topic is how your May 2020 is going to be. So if you like this video, do like and subscribe to the channel. I read every comment that you put in the comment section, and thank you so much for being so kind, supportive. It means a lot to me. Also, I do have certain topics in mind for pick a card reading. However, if you have a particular topic in mind, do write in the comment section. For next pick a card reading, which we are going to have next week, I have an extremely interesting topic, and I'm very sure that you guys would just simply love it. I'm not going to tell you right now because I don't want to kill the suspense. So pretty simple. All you need to do is just focus on these three piles: pile 1, pile 2, pile 3. I'll be posting the time stamps in the comment section. Now pile number 1 has got rhodochrosite necklace. Pile number 2 has got garnet necklace. Pile number 3 has got yellow quartz necklace. Thank you, Sarita, for gifting me this beautiful crystals. Now just take a deep breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out. Now ask your guardian angels how your May 2020 is going to be. Now look at the piles of cards and see which card is calling to you. All right, so I'm pretty sure you have done your, you selected the card. This is a general reading, so as I said, take what resonates and leave what does not. All right, thank you so much. So all those of you who have chosen pile number 1 and this beautiful rhodochrosite crystal, I can clearly say that this particular group, love and especially self-love is an issue. All right, I feel that you guys, are givers. You are able to keep on giving to people love, and you find it easier to give than receive. Also, I feel when I look at this crystal is that you yourself, need to love all the flaws of yours as well. None of us are perfect. Okay, we are human beings at the end of the day, and you need to accept it. So stop being so harsh on yourself. All right, so all those of you who have chosen this beautiful rhodochrosite necklace, let's see what the angels want to tell you. Okay, so the first card that you have chosen is the Hanged Man. So definitely this month, okay, the month of May, you have to let go of a lot of things. You will also have to be quite creative. You have to think out of the box for the month of May. You will need to compromise is what I'm getting. The next card is 7 of Cups. So yes, you there will be choices available to you. At the same time, you'll be also confused as to what road to take. So what the angels are telling you, that in order to decide what road to take or what choice to make, think out of the box. Think as if you had to counsel someone, okay, then what counseling you would have done. All right, so I see a lot of choices and compromise as well. Oh, lovely. You have the King of Pentacles, which means definitely there would be an energy of abundance coming your way. There would be a wise man who will be guiding you, will be helping you to make these decisions. Okay, so even though there are choices available to you which could be confusing, even if you are supposed to think out of the box, there is a wise person, okay, who will help you to make these choices. Okay, also what I'm getting is that do not overdrink. Do not disregard all the good things that you have in life. Also, I feel that you guys have been not working out or paying attention to your body. So the angels are asking you that you need to pay attention to your body, you need to work out. And I also feel that you guys, you tend to be, you're quite serious, okay? So they're asking you to stop being so serious and have some fun. I see worry, I see a weight over here, that when things are going to be normal, when things are going to be okay. I'm also seeing that there is some sort of issue related to home, okay, which this particular group is facing. All right. Also, I feel that somebody is going to get unmasked. Somebody's truth you will come to know. So it's okay. All right, it's better to be in awareness than be delusional. All right, now let's see what your love card is saying. Past life connection. Okay, so love does not only mean romantic love, it can also mean friendship. So I feel that you'll get in touch with somebody who is from your previous connection. All right. Also, I feel that a old friend of yours may come in touch with you and may want to have conversation with you. I'm also getting a feeling that you may get a little bit nostalgic. Okay, so I would say over here that don't invest too much of your time thinking about the past as to what could have been done, what could have not been done. Just let go of the past, because see, if that's what the cards are also saying. There's a past you need, which is kind of still hovering on your mind. You need to let go of the past so that a new person can come in, or whoever you are with currently, okay, that person will be able to you'll be able to see the best in that person. So you need to let your past go very clearly. Okay, let's see what your other cards are saying. Oh, giving and receiving. So as I told you, when you guys had picked rhodochrosite initially, only I had told you that you guys tend to be givers. Okay, so you need to balance the giving and receiving very clearly. Okay, this is what your angels are also telling you. Okay, Mother Mary is telling you that, yeah, it's okay to be generous. All right, it's okay to help others. Okay, but if you also need to nourish your soul. I feel over here, I feel there are inner child issues. Okay, you have faced some sort of scarcity in your childhood. All right, maybe love, maybe money. There's some sort of scarcity that I can clearly see in your childhood, which is has kind of made you a giver, okay, or a people pleaser. Okay, when I say people pleaser, I do not mean in a negative way. It is more like you want everybody to be happy, but it can't be that way. Also, if it is the other way around, wherein you're just receiving, or I also feel that some of you would be homemakers, and you feel that since you kind of feel that when is it that you are going to start earning money. So please understand one thing very clearly, that a homemaker is a person because of whom everybody else is able to pursue what they want to do. So without your support, without your help, none of your family people will be able to pursue what they want to pursue. So if you're a homemaker, please understand that you need not try to overcompensate. Okay, so this is for some of you that I'm getting. Also, I feel there's some book, okay, which you have kind of kept it in a shelf, not reading it, or maybe it's lying in your Kindle, which you need to read again, because that particular book is going to transform your life. Good night's sleep. So I feel this particular group, okay, you guys have been not able to sleep well because of anxiety, because of worries, which is going to affect your health. Okay, so you need to sleep on time. Okay, you need to sleep on time, you need to take rest. Please also understand one thing. some of you may be feeling that this pause that life has given. Okay, you may feel that I'm not being productive. All right, please understand this kind of pause, like my husband says, that is a once in a lifetime opportunity. Okay, so enjoy this pause. So yeah, you have given a lot, now it's time to receive. Okay, so receive this rest, receive this um rejuvenation. Okay, now let's see what your other cards are saying. Entrepreneur. Okay, lovely, lovely. So this particular card is saying that you have kind of always contemplated that what kind of business should you do if you're working in a corporate, or you already have a business and you are like, what are new things you can do in a business. Also, the ones who are having a business, you guys are kind of wondering where things are going. You're also trying to find alternate options, okay, in your business right now, because this time has kind of made you evaluate what all you can do to ensure that this kind of crisis does not lead to problems. Okay, power of joy. See how beautiful these cards are falling into place. So definitely the angels are saying that here, over here, as you can see, you are quite lost, because of which you're not able to sleep. Okay, so the angels are saying that there are good times ahead. Okay, I also see that most of you are going to have some sort of spiritual experience, okay, which is going to really enrich you. All right. I'm also getting that you some of you have started chanting, okay, to cope up with the situation, which is really going to be work in your favor. And then we have the last card for this particular group, okay, which is environmental awareness. So this particular situation has kind of made you realize that you have to be how the environment is getting affected because of us. I also feel that you have a side of yours which is shielded, okay, wherein you do not really open up to people in terms of showing care, because in the past you have been disappointed. Also, I'm seeing that some of you in love, okay, since you guys have been disappointed in the past, you tend not to love people. Also, like, you do love people, but you don't love them wholeheartedly. You kind of keep a part of yourself back because you're scared of getting hurt. So if you ask me how your May 2020 is going to be, yes, there would be you would be kind of trying to figure out alternative options. You will focus on your health, you will try and eat more healthy in the month of May. Also, I'm seeing that abundance will come your way. There would be a man, okay, who is going to kind of give you very good advice. Also, I see that some of you who are in a corporate job, will try and explore entrepreneurial activities. Also, I feel that you'll start feeling a bit restful. The kind of stress that you have been having, okay, you will take a conscious decision, okay, by working out and resting. Okay, what I also feel is yes, there will be a lot of joyful moments that will be there in the month of May for you guys. You will be like kind of enjoying things. The kind of stress you had, okay, you will kind of deal with the stress, okay. And what else I'm getting? Also, ensure that sort out your jewelry, okay. What I'm feeling is some of you, your shelf, okay, or your cupboard, or your jewelry, okay, it's kept in a very haphazard manner, okay. So the angels are telling us a very right time to sort, to segregate your jewelry and to keep it properly, okay. Also, I'm feeling, that you guys, there will be something regarding manifestation you will do. Also, you will do, some of you will do some rituals or prayers or mantras for protection. Okay. What else I'm getting for this particular pile? um, okay, some of you are very good painters, okay, or some of you are very good in creativity, which you have kind of kept it at a back burner because you are like, I don't have time for this in my daily time, or you're kind of lost touch with it because some of the family member or maybe somebody in the family or friend were like, what is this that you're doing, this is not going to get you anywhere. So the angels are asking you to to rediscover that hobby of yours, that creativity of yours that you just let gone because of somebody else. Also, as I said, I also see a past friend coming into your life in the month of May 2020. I also see that there would be some sort of nostalgia which will be there in your mind. So overall, if you ask me, this particular month, try and look at everything from an try to have a perspective as to how another person would have looked at it and what kind of steps they should have taken, because you are a very good advisor, but when it comes to yourself you tend to be all lost and confused. So the angels are telling you to take an outside view and then take a call. Okay, so yes, the cards are pretty good for pile 1. Yes, you also, some of you have pets. Okay, so you need to um, kind of take care of them, because those pets are feeling a little bit they can sense your frustration, they can sense your feelings. Okay, so you kind of need to use the power of joy to make them feel better is what I'm getting. Okay, also, some of you are getting nightmares, so the angels are saying that before you go to bed, okay, you just need to invoke God, Goddess, Archangel Michael, and just tell them, that hey, help me out, let me sleep peacefully. Okay, now let's see what your angel numbers are giving you a message. So let's pick one, pick 2, 3, why not? Okay, oh, so 3, oh my God. Okay, so lovely. So you have got 69, 63 and 78. Okay, so 2, 6. Okay, which means the angels are saying that in the month of May you will pay attention to your looks. Okay, so that's why I the fitness card also kind of confirms it. You'll take care of your health or how you look. Okay, also the angels are saying that material needs will be met. Okay, all sorts of material needs will be met, so don't worry. Also, you are on the right path. Okay, so don't think that where am I going, don't feel lost. All right, because you are on the right path, you will eventually understand, okay, that where you are meant to go and things like that. Also, the card of the number 8 is telling me that abundance is going to be there, a lot of abundance coming your way, material needs are going to be fulfilled. There are millions of God, Goddess and archangels with you. Also, you will start in this month, there is a high possibility that some of you will become aware of what your life purpose is. Okay, also the entrepreneurial things. Okay, some of you will be able to understand what entrepreneurial activities you should pursue. So definitely a very good angel numbers you have got. Okay, now let's see what the crystals are going to tell you, what messages are coming from the crystals. So let's pick up crystals. Okay, so you got pyrite and you have got labradorite. Oh, lovely. Okay, so see the beautiful rainbow. I hope you can see it. Okay, so what I'm getting is see, again, the pyrite resonates with the number 8. So yes, Abundance will come for some of you for sure. All right. Also, the angels are asking you to ground yourself. Okay. You are a some of you are clairvoyant, and some of you are, see, if you ask me if you can dream, then you are clairvoyant. Okay, so we all are clairvoyant, but some of us, our third eye gets blocked because of certain experiences in this lifetime or past life, because of which a third eye gets closed. So what I'm getting is, this crystals are telling me that this in the month of May, your intuition is going to be really very strong. There are some of you, okay, who will, the ones who have business, there's a high probability of you getting some sort of offer, okay, or some opportunity via from a wise man. And this labradorite is telling me that you should be keep your vision and your eyes open, okay, for that. So this labradorite is telling that look in the beauty, look at the beauty of the universe of in your life. And also the pyrite is telling that ground yourself, okay. You are kind of becoming very, and see, it is kind of resonating with this card. So this is a card of as you can see, this woman is kind of lost, okay. So the pyrite is telling you to ground yourself, because when you're grounded, most of the confusion goes away. So just ground yourself to ensure that this confusion does not remain. All right. So pile number 1, this is your reading. Okay, I hope you liked your reading as to how the month of May is going to be for you. Do write in the comment section what you resonated, and also do like and subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss the next pick a card reading, which I will be doing next week. And trust me, it's a very, very interesting topic. All right, so thank you so much, group number 1. I so enjoyed doing your reading. All right. So all those of you who have chosen pile number 2, this is your reading. So this particular group, okay, you have chosen the beautiful garnet necklace. Now garnet is a very strong grounding crystal, okay. Also garnet has to do with finances and career, okay. It also helps to keep away evil. So I would say that group number 2, okay, finances and career, okay, are kind of major concern, or you are really focusing on it right now. Also this particular crystal is telling me that yes, you kind of your root chakra, okay, there is a lot of insecurity that you are having in your life right now, which you need answers to. All right, so this is for pile number 2. So let's see what cards you guys have got. Okay, so you have got 9 of Cups. Wow, that's an awesome card to get. It's called a wish fulfillment card. So a lot of wishes will get fulfilled. However, the angels are telling you that don't just focus on one particular wish, that this wish should get complete, and ignore the other blessings that the divine is giving you. Okay, so also the angels are telling you that you have been kind of sitting at one place and not really moving your body. Okay, so even if you are at home, you can kind of do some sort of workout. Okay, so you need to have you need to kind of moderate your whatever you are eating, and you need to focus on body movement. Okay, also try and do something different. Okay, just don't sit the whole day kind of wondering. Do something. Okay, don't explore what else you can do. Okay, but yes, a very good card to receive regarding wish fulfillment. Also I see that for the month of May, you guys are going to try and cook a lot of dishes, or there will be somebody who will make variety of food. Okay, and you'll be enjoying those. Okay, now let's see what is the next card. Temperance, beautiful. So lot of, harmony, peace, lot of enlightenment is what also I'm getting. Also, your subconscious mind, okay, and is going to, give you a lot of messages, okay. So a lot of messages are going to come from your higher self, from your subconscious mind. So be vigilant and listen to them, okay. Oh, lovely. You've got two cups cards, so a lot of emotions, okay. So over here, the six of cups, yes, you will miss, you will miss your friends. And I'm also seeing that you will be helping a friend out, or a friend will help you, okay, is what I'm getting very strongly. Also, you'll be doing a lot of daydreaming, okay, lot of daydreaming is what I'm getting, okay. There will be also a lot of downloads that will be given to you by the divine, so pay attention to it. Also, what I'm getting is that water, you need to ensure that you are hydrated. Do not over drink water, or do not be dehydrated, okay, is also what I'm getting. See, in all the three cards, the water element is very strong, okay. What else I am getting from this particular card? Yes, definitely you guys have a very strong angelic presence in your life. This particular angel, your guardian angel, is guiding you very strongly. Also, some of you, are really desiring beautiful hair, okay. So, or you're worried about your hair, like coloring your hair perhaps, okay, or something to do with your hair. So the angels are telling you that, just hold on and take care of your hair, okay. Also, this particular you guys need to eat more fruits, okay. You're not eating healthy is what I'm getting very strongly. Now, the love card, okay, which you have got, is everything happens for a reason. So some of you may go into your past and kind of think, that why a particular person behaved in a particular way with you. So the angels are telling that let go of it. Everything happens for a reason, all right. Also, what I'm getting over here is that you may meet somebody if you are single, okay. You may meet somebody, and you'll be like, okay, this is the reason why things in the past did not work out with X, Y, Z, because this particular person has all the qualities that I'm looking at. So some of you will have that kind of experience too. In love, what I'm also feeling is, overall, okay, love does not only mean romantic love. You will be more accepting of people, okay. You'll be more understanding of everybody around you for the month of May 2020. Okay. Oh, see, I just said that, and the next card that you got was compassion. So as I said, you guys, okay, you will be, the Mother Mary is saying that you will accept people for what they are, how they are. You will not be judgmental. Also, the angels are telling you to listen to other people's point of view. Also, somebody, you may have some sort of resentment, okay, towards somebody from your past, okay. You need to forgive them. You can check my forgiveness video to understand how to forgive, okay. See, it's so amazing. I have not seen this cards, guys. I just shuffled them and I had kept them aside. So you have got the card of mercy, okay. So that's what the angels are telling you, that whoever from your past, okay, who towards whom you have resentment, just have kindful thoughts towards them. You need not, get so upset with them, all right. Oh my god, this is like so amazing. Oh dear Lord, as I said, I have not seen the cards before. That is why I have all this expression coming out of me. See, look at these cards: compassion, mercy, let it go. See the other person's point of view. Over here also, Mother Mary is telling you to see the other person's point of view. So yes, there would be differences happening, between somebody and you in May 2020, but the angels are asking you to let it go, forgive them, and also see the other person's point of view, okay. So we have Kuan Yin, and we have our local, I'm sorry, the pronunciation may be off over here, but it is said that Goddess Kuan Yin in her previous birth was Avalokit Kiteswara. Okay, so please forgive me for wrong pronunciation. You can start with me because you already got the forgiveness and the compassion card. Okay, so yes, there would be some differences for some of you, but understand, to let it go. Okay, you have got look inside of yourself. All right, so definitely it is time. What I'm getting from this card is it is time to go within, and there are a lot of webs, okay, which I can see. There are a lot of things which you have kind of pushed under the carpets, thinking that you will sort it out in the future. So there are certain emotions which have not got sorted out, which you need to kind of go within and sort it out. And you need to understand what is bothering you. And so at times what also happens is that like the other day, okay, I had a client for consultation. I saw her cards and I felt that she tends to get very snappy at people. And when I saw the cards, I clearly understood that she was somebody who used to always be pleasing people. Okay, and the moment her relationship with friends, okay, kind of became one-sided, she became quite snappy with others. Okay, so at times, so the moment I told her that the main reason she is snappy at people is because in the past she has had disappointments in friendship. She was able to understand what needs to be sorted. So you need to go within, you need to find out and what needs to be addressed. Okay, that's very, very important. Okay, let's see. You guys had pulled out more cards. Okay, so organic foods. See, when I saw this card, I told that you guys are not eating healthy. So you need to eat healthy, all right, because that's really very, very important. Also, you have got be honest with yourself, which is again look inside of yourself and be honest with yourself is the same thing, and there's nothing to worry about. Okay, so since you had got the wish fulfillment card, it's very clear that you got nothing to worry about. So just chill. Okay, now how to give a synopsis of how your month of May is going to be. I do see some arguments happening, but I also see that you will follow the divine advice, Mother Mary, Goddess Kuan Yin's advice, and you will forgive them. Okay, you will see their point of view also. What I'm also getting is that you will spend a lot of time contemplating and going within, and you will be kind of sorting the cobwebs, that emotional cobwebs that are there in your mind. Okay, um, you need to open your heart is also what I'm getting. Okay, so in the month of May, accept people for who they are, which you will be doing. Okay, you will be able to accept people for who they are. So the lesson for the month of May I'm getting very clearly is compassion and forgiveness for pile number 2. Yes, your wish is going to get fulfilled, but you need to open your heart very, very clearly. Also, I see some old friends coming. You talking to a friend of yours. Okay, also the 6 of Cups means nostalgia. Interestingly, even pile number 1 had got past life connections, which even you have got. Okay, so yes, so, it may so happen that you may be kind of having resentment. Okay, so month of May is asking you to just let it go. Okay, so Goddess Kuan Yin is with you, and she will help you to forgive this person. So whenever you have see, Goddess Kuan Yin also brings in a lot of peace and harmony. So since it looks like over here also, as I said, there was a Temperance card, which is again a card of harmony, harmony, balance. And Goddess Kuan Yin also helps with harmony and balance. Okay, so you need to kind of ensure that you work with Goddess Kuan Yin. Every day you can just start your you can just tell Goddess Kuan Yin, let me have peace today, because the moment you have peace, everything falls into place. But there's a beautiful card that you have drawn. There's nothing to worry about at all. So lovely. Okay, so month of May, eat right, work out, find balance, try and be harmonious with other, forgive is the main thing which you need to do. Go within is what you are getting, and there's nothing, absolutely nothing to worry about. Now let's see what angel numbers are wanting to tell to group 2. Angel numbers for group 2. Okay, so we have got 8. It's really interesting how 8 keeps on showing. 8 and 6 always keeps on showing, okay, in readings. And also um, it's amazing. I think mainly because many people right now are worried about their finances. That's the precise reason 8 and 6 keeps on showing up, wherein the numbers are saying that don't worry about any sort of material things. Also pay attention to your karmas. Keep your karmas really good. There would be something karmic which will show up in the month of May 2020. So clear that exam by forgiving and not fighting. Also 227 is, have faith, you're on the right path. Also 27 comes to 9, which is, as I said, there will be a major life purpose test that's going to happen for group number 2. And I'll also tell you how to clear the test. The way to clear the test is forgive. You guys need to watch my forgiveness video. I will put it in the description column so that you understand a little bit better on how you can forgive. Also Archangel Gabriel is with you guys, okay? So you have to communicate. So in the month of May, be very careful of the words that you're going to use, okay? Do not be harsh with anybody. Do not hurt anybody unnecessarily. But it will be a beautiful month because of the wish fulfillment card that you have got. Now let's see what crystals, what guidance we are going to get from our crystals. Okay, so you're drawn 3 crystals, okay, which is, one is the bloodstone, okay, one is the labradorite. Even group number 1 had got labradorite, and one is the angelite, okay? So the angelite, I had told you that there's an angel energy with you, so there's definitely the angels want to connect with you as well, and you're definitely going to connect with them as well. There will be angels around you, okay? You'll see a lot of feathers in the month of May. And for the wish fulfillment card is also telling that your wish is going to get fulfilled. The bloodstone crystal is asking you to be courageous, okay? It's asking you to be brave, okay? It's telling you that you have everything sorted, so don't worry, which is again this particular card that you got. Okay, also pay attention. If some of you have blood pressure, then do pay attention to it. Do not get angry, see, because of the cards that you have got. Do not get angry, otherwise your blood pressure may get affected. And for group 2, I'm getting with this labradorite crystal is a lot of secrets will get unrevealed, okay, which may lead to conflicts, okay? But be patient, okay? Nothing to worry about. Keep on remembering this card, okay? Because you have got a very beautiful tarot card, okay? And just keep on remembering there's nothing to worry about. So this is what your month of May looks like, group 2. It's pretty good, I will definitely say, okay? They are really guiding you beautifully. And yes, eat right. Also, if you like the video, do write in the comment section how did you like the reading. And also do subscribe to the channel. Do share it with people whom you think they will benefit from this reading. All right, group number 2, this was your reading. I hope you enjoyed it. All right, thank you so much. So hello group 3, and you guys have chosen this beautiful yellow quartz, okay? So for you, the month of May, I feel, is going to be about power, okay? I also feel that ego would be something that you will have to look into. I'm also getting that there would be certain moments of joy in your life. And stomach, you need to take care of stomach, okay, for the month of May. Now let's see what cards you have got, okay? So You have got three of swords. So before you start panicking, just cool down. Okay, it's nothing to worry about. Okay, you have got a knight of wands. So I feel that the fact that you cannot travel, okay, would be causing, kind of disappointment. Okay, don't worry, I'm not getting a very bad energies, from this particular card. So just chill. All right, I feel that since you're not able to travel, you will feel disappointed. I'm also getting a feeling that you would kind of meet someone, okay, who would be who would be flirtatious. All right, so be careful. Okay, don't fall into that trap. Okay, then we have the card of family. So yes, good happy times family wise. Also, I feel that there in this month, okay, some of you were supposed to meet a family member, okay, and that particular thing is not happening because of the travel ban. All right, and this is kind of causing you that disappointment, since the travel plans for May did not come to did not come into reality. That is why the disappointment I see. Okay, the ten of cups is telling me that all those who also, yes, I'm getting one more thing. Some of you were planning for a baby in the month of May via maybe an IVF or something, and that kind of did not work out because of the entire scenario right now. So don't get disappointed, because you're going to have a baby. The ones who are looking for a baby, okay, it will happen. If not in May, it will happen for sure. Okay, also I feel a ten of cups, good time with family. You'll be spending quality time with your kids. You will be kids will give you a lot of joy. Also, I am also getting that you will you will kind of you'll kind of start looking at the positives in life. You'll have that positive perspective is what I'm very clearly getting. So you got two wonderful cards. Okay, this particular card, Knight of Wands, means moment, moving ahead. Okay, so it's a very good card to get. You will feel adventurous, but do not try anything do not take uncalculated risk is what I'm getting very clearly. So now let's see which card. Health. Okay, so you need to focus on your health. If there whatever prayers you have been doing about health, Mother Mary is telling you that you will experience miracles in it. Okay, the health card is saying forgiveness heals. Okay, so definitely all you need to do is that give your resentments to the divine is what I'm clearly getting. Let's see, perfect timing. Okay, all right, so I feel over here that in the month of May there would be a lot of doors that will open to you. Okay, so be careful of what door you choose. Okay, because it may so happen that there will be somebody who may try to distract you from the right door or the right opportunity. So don't get distracted. Okay, and this is a perfect time. Don't procrastinate. Okay, don't delay things. If you need to take an action, do take it. Okay, you see, I was just talking about this to you, and the next card is go now. Okay, so this, the angels are telling that don't delay, take action. Okay, don't delay. The other card you got, breaking free. See, again, this both are on the same lines. So what I'm getting over here, group 3, is there will be certain habits of yours, okay, patterns in your life which will show up in the month of May 2020, which you'll have to break. Okay, what I'm feeling is that the ones who are singles, okay, you may have a pattern of attracting partners, okay, who are not either committing to you, or who are not giving you the way you give in a relationship. Okay, so they're asking you to break free from this pattern. They're asking you to look and evaluate, okay, this pattern, and to get rid of entertaining partners who are just a waste of time. okay, because there is a family happiness which is there. The next that you card, you got a miracle healing. See, amazingly, you have got two cards, okay, which is talking about healing miracles. This particular card is saying, and this card is saying miracle healing. So now we can also look at the Three of Swords with a very positive perspective. Okay, it can mean that yes, there would be a disappointment in your life in the month of May 2020, but this particular disappointment will get sorted out. Okay, the divine will heal this particular disappointment. Okay, true love, oh my god. So okay, that is why I told you in the beginning, don't be worried when you get this particular card. So for this particular batch, okay, the exam would be that there would be a pattern in your life which will show up in the month of May 2020, and that pattern you will have to break. Okay, for example, if you have a pattern, okay, of having a lot of debts, okay, so you will have that particular pattern may show up. Okay, that lesson will come up. So rather than choosing to take more debts, you will have to take another choice. All right, even if the choice is difficult, they're asking you to break free. Okay, so there are certain addictions which you need to break free, and you will find the true happiness, the true love that you're looking for. So some of the singles, okay, this the family card and the true love is telling me for some singles are going to get married, okay, are going to meet the one. Okay, because definitely people who are having health issues, you can you can expect miracles. All right, and the last card is financial flow. Lovely. So the ones there has been a disappointment. Even if there's a disappointment regarding finances in the beginning of the month, it will kind of get sorted out, by the middle of the month or so, is what I'm getting for this particular group. So you have got such beautiful cards. All right, you got the card of true love. I'm also getting the ones who are married. Okay, you will kind of have good times with your partner. All right, also there will be perfect timing will take place for money to come in. So don't give energy to how it will show up, just understand that it will show up. So divine timing will be there on in play this particular month of May 2020. So if I have to summarize, okay, how your May 2020 is going to be, there will be disappointments. However, you will move away from this disappointments. You will break free. You'll have a good time with your family members. Singles, some of the singles, if they're able to break pattern of being into unrequited love, if they are able to break this pattern, they will find true love. Or some of the singles, as I said, okay, will be able to love themselves truly. Okay, I'm also getting that if there are health issues that this particular people are facing, there would be healing miracles. Or if you're somebody in the family whom you're worried, some of you will have healing miracles. Okay, for the month of May 2020, money will come. There will be a financial flow. Okay, but you will have to take action for that. Okay, it's like go now. The deity is saying just go now, go, don't procrastinate. All right, and a lot of movement is also we can get from this particular card. A lot of movement. Also I see a young person. Okay, a young person will kind of motivate you to go ahead, go after your dreams, is what I'm getting very clearly. So beautiful cards. Only one card which is not that great, but both the other cards are pretty good. A lot of wisdom coming your way. And don't be so upset about the travel plans not working out. Please understand that it will in the future. Okay, so beautiful cards. Now let's see what your angel numbers are saying. Let's pick out angel numbers for group 3. What the angels would like to tell group 3 via numbers. 13, 4, oh my god. Very interesting group 3. First, you chosen pile number 3, so 3 and 3 again. okay, and 3 and 1 comes to 4. So what I'm getting is that you have a very, very strong, the universe has your back, okay, group 3. The universe is with you, all right. Even if the universe is with you, the angels are with you, the god, goddess, archangels are with you. I'm also getting that right now, in the month of May, the angels the universe, okay, will be capturing your whatever you are thinking and will give you the same output. So ensure that you keep your thoughts positive and you do not get into, any kind of negative mode, all right. So a lot of millions of angels with you, millions of god, goddess, and archangels with you. Also there will be a lot of new beginnings, is what I'm getting very, very clearly. Your luck is going to get better. Do not waste too much time on do not waste too much time on distractions, okay. This is a month, May 2020 is a month for you to focus on your work, because that's going to get you really ahead. Now let's see what the crystals want to tell you, what message the crystals would like to tell you. Okay, so you guys have got pyrite, amethyst, okay, lovely, and you have got bloodstone, okay. So what this particular, so pyrite is definitely, see, interestingly, all these three crystals are of prosperity, okay, and protection too. So prosperity and protection are definitely is what the angels are telling you via these crystals. Also a lot of ideas are going to come to you via your crown chakra, so be open to receiving it. Do not ignore these ideas, work on these ideas. Also the angels are asking you to be courageous. They're asking you to take that step ahead. The pyrite is telling you that focus your energies, okay. Your energies seem to be very distracted, okay, they're just here and there. So just focus all these energies and get something concrete out of your life, okay. So this is what the angels are telling you through the crystals. So group 3, I hope you liked this reading, and do break free from the pattern. Remember, do not do the same mistake again. So miracle healing and healing miracles is coming your way. You got such beautiful cards, family and true love, single, some of you are definitely going to meet the one. So break the pattern, but for you to meet that, because there will be a test, is what I'm clearly getting, for you for the pattern to be broken. Okay, so group 3, if you liked this particular reading of yours, do write in the comment section what you liked, what you resonated with. Do give me a like and thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. Also do share this video with anyone whom you think will benefit from this reading. This is Sheetal Sapan Matre. Have a great day ahead.